Hello everybody, my name is Casey. Welcome back to my channel. I like to post laid back makeup content, so if that sounds good to you, then please keep watching. So I've recently picked up the Made by Mitchell brand mystery bags. I've always wanted to try this brand, and then when I saw he had mystery bundles, I thought it would be a good way to try multiple of his products for a good price. I picked up the two, he had a sale. He had two mystery item box bag type situations for Valentine's Day. One was the Valentine's Day bundle was $20, and then he had a normal mystery bag that he always has, and it is $33, and then he had two small mystery bags for $13. So I went ahead and grabbed all of them. I thought it'd be fun to see if there was any repeat products in here, or if I would get something different with all of them and see if it was worth the money. So I have not looked in them, but I've opened them, and I was gonna wait to look at them on camera. I've always wanted to try this brand. I've always been, attracted to his liquid blushes, and now he's got liquid highlighters, and he's come out with so much products since I have been eyeing the brand. So I thought this would be a great way to try him out. So without further blabbering, here I go. This is the first bag, and I'm pretty sure it's one of the smaller bags. The smaller bags had a guarantee of having a pink blush. I think it's called Strawberry Milk. And then he had another bag that's guaranteed to have a highlighter in it, I think called Drip Drip. So we'll see which one this bag is. I believe this one is the strawberry one, because we have the blush. I think calls it blush and strawberry cream. So it's a really pretty shade, and I'm pretty sure like these colors were guaranteed because, or those two products were guaranteed because they're popular on TikTok. I think I have a TikTok account, but I never get on there. So I think they're considered viral or whatnot. But there is a swatch of the Strawberry Milk blush. It's very pretty. And the next thing is, okay, so the next product is a lip gloss. Here's the component. It's a very pretty color, and I would like to do a video with these products eventually. I'm sure I will, at least just trying them out. I love lip glosses. Here's a swatch of the lip gloss. So far so good. And this should have one more product in it, and it does. Has a graphic, it's called Graphic Ink Eyeliner in the color Aphrodite. I love like just using fun eyeliners. Oh, this is a liquid eyeliner. So I'm not going to swatch this one because it's still wrapped in shrink wrap, and that will take me forever to open. Well, actually, okay, so I actually went ahead and just opened it off camera so we could swatch it. There's the brush tip. And I'm not an expert at using liquid liner. I really need to improve, but that looks very nice. It's pigmented and went on smoothly. Okay, I believe this is the next small bag. Yeah, because see, this one has the Drip Drip and I believe that's the viral highlighter that he's known for. So this one has a makeup sponge. And then here is the Drip Drip. It says it's a blush, a liquid blusher, but I guess liquid and highlighter and blush, I guess it's the same thing. And it's literally like a metallic silver. Oh. That's just one. That looks fun. There's just lots of that. And there should be one more product in this second small bag. Okay, so this is a gel glaze cream eyeshadow formula. And it's in the color Champion. Which this would be fun to see if could use this as like an eyeshadow base. So this is it has a little saran kind of wrap lid on the top. I'm not going to pull it off completely because if you put them back over the top, it helps them with their longevity. And I just kind of swatched it right there. There, you can see it. It's kind of a champagne-y peach situation. All right, those are the two small bags, and now I'm going to move on to the two large mystery bags. So far, I like these mystery bags. I believe I will get use out of them so far. I haven't got a product that I wouldn't use, so I feel like that's always the hesitation with me in mystery boxes. I'm always afraid I'm going to get something and I'm not going to use it, and it's not something I even remotely want to try, but so far so good. So I'm trying to see, these are the large ones. I'm trying to not look in them, but I can't tell which one is the Valentine's Day one because the outside is the same, but one of them was $20 and one of them was $33, but they both have 6 products in them, so we'll see. But this one has, first item in this one is a brush. It's the MF3. And I love these types of brushes. You can't really have too many of them. And the next item, All Smudge, No Budge. So this is a eyeliner pencil. In the shade Kiss You. There's the pencil. Looks nice. Nice and sharp. It's not real creamy, so it feels like it will not smudge. So I'm excited to try that. I really like the way it felt in the swatch. Let's see, and the next item is another gel creamy eyeshadow in the shade Iced Coffee. Now this is a black, so that would be good to use as an eyeshadow base with your multi-chromes. So far, I mean, I'm going to get used to all these things. So we have another liquid blusher. Oh, and it's orange. So the color Melon Sherbet. Probably said that funny. I really like that color. I'm loving purple blush and orange like this, like peach. That's so pretty. I'll definitely be trying that out soon. And then the next item is another blush. Oh, okay. So this is a blush glow. So I'm guessing this is more of like a luminizing blush, which that's exciting. I'm sorry if you can hear my baby crying. My husband's watching him. This one's called Pearl Twist. And it looks like it's going to be another... Oh, I didn't turn my baby monitor down. That's what it is. I always forget to do that. I apologize. I'm going to remember to start turning my baby monitor down. Oh yeah, that is pretty. Yeah, this is like a luminizing blush. Okay, and the next product is a lip gloss. It says Bean Gloss in the shade Milkshake for Me. And this looks like a pretty pink color. And there it is, Milkshake for Me. So that's all the products in that bag. Alrighty, this is the last bag. So there should be 6 products in here as well. For the first, ooh, I was wanting to try this. This is the Swirl Kit. And I believe it is like a mixing medium. Alright, another eyeliner. I love this color. All Smudge No Budge eyeliner in the shade Cyberpunk. I love this color. I guess you can tell because I'm actually kind of wearing it today. I love the how sharp and pointy the ends of these are. I know it won't stay that way, but no, there's not a sharpener on the end. There's the color. Love that. Alright, the next product is, oops, I actually put it out too. Oh well. Okay, a blush, which I mean, I know there's a lot of blushes, but that's what I was hoping for, was blush. I feel like anyone that's buying these mystery bags are hoping to get the blush. So this is the shade A Shy Boy, and it looks gorgeous. I can't wait to try these. Ooh, she's pretty. Can't wait to see how these blend on the face. This is my next blush. I've already opened it because I'm excited. This is in the shade Party Pink. Look at this one. She's bold. I have to be real confident on this day. I mean, it's pretty. It's so pretty. I mean, I feel like, I don't know how this is going to look on my face, but I definitely feel like if you had a darker complexion, you might want to give these a go. These are very pigmented. What? I'm not sure. I'll have to feel it. Okay, there's 2 more products left. And this is a Beam. It doesn't say gloss, but it is a gloss. Okay, this is the gloss. the Bean Gloss. Seemed like I thought the one said gloss in the background. Ooh. Look at this color. Which I'm all about these crazy colors. I will straight up wear this. I don't care. No More Tears. That's what it's called. I mean, most of the time these just go on clear anyways. Oh, that is so pretty. I mean, it's so subtle most of the time. I feel like people can't even notice it, but when you just look at it, it just looks like some kind of mermaid goodness. Oh, you can kind of see it. I love that. Alright, and then one more. Alright, this is the last item. And it is another gel cream eyeshadow in the shade Donut Worry, as in like a donut. So I'm guessing it's brown. Which, I mean, so for the cream eyeshadows, I got a brown, I got a black, and I got a champagne. I mean, I feel like all these products are very... I feel like I haven't got anything that was just a waste. I feel like this was a great way to try his brand. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What was the last product? Alright, so that's all for the mystery box. So now I have the blush book and then all of these products. I'm super excited to try these out. I really feel like it was worth the money as far as the individual boxes go. I mean, I feel like I'm going to use all of these products. So if you have been looking into getting one of these or trying them, I would, you know, recommend it. I don't know as far as like how the products actually, you know, work. I can't wait to try them, but I guess we'll just see. But if you were thinking about trying his brand, and I really feel like I got, you know, a good variety of things to try in a bunch of colors that I like, so I can't complain. So with that being said, I'm just going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day or night wherever you are, and I'm hoping to see you in the next one. Bye.